Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Welcome back to Projan Media TV for all the latest updates, latest information circulating and happening around the world. Today we bring you Pastor Bugingo's divorce application in full details. Pastor Aloysious Bugingo has finally gone open and declared that he is seeking to divorce his wife, Teddy Naluswa. This was made public during a church service this week. Pastor Bugingo also spoke about his new house and promised to introduce his new wife to be in not later than a month. As soon as I let go of Teddy, I'm unveiling the bride. You will officially have a new mother, one more educated and more loving, said the pastor under wild tears. We have also landed on the divorce application papers. These are the grounds Bugingo listed. Defamation by wife and daughter. That is the first ground he listed. Domestic violence and threats on his life. Fraud by the wife. Thank you for watching Projan Media TV. Latest updates and information.